Hello viewers, what I have for you today is this Scorpion by Double Eagle. It's a Springer, pretty cheap Springer, and we will test the accuracy of this one. I have one paper target at 10 meters, and also in the shadow are 4 metal targets, those small black silhouettes. I do hope you see them. So, I have 13 rounds of these, 0.25 grams, and we try all 13 on the paper first. So, paper. Okay, I don't saw that. Too low. Okay, we have a hit. Yeah, that was a very weird shot. Again. Okay, we have a hit. And no rounds left. Waiting for the wind. Okay, I put in 7 more rounds. This may be the first time I need to put more rounds for the paper. Okay, nothing. They fly all over the place. Okay, and we are out. Okay, I will put inside the magazine another 13 rounds. Nothing can be worse than M19 by UHC, but this is pretty close. Pretty close. Okay, I will try those 2 metal targets on the left. One of them random. Okay, I almost hit that one on the right. Okay, I'm aiming that center on the first from the left. Okay, that was close, actually. That wasn't. I'm aiming on the first from the left, but many rounds go on the first from the right. Are you serious? Okay, last round. Ah, this gun. You aim on something and the round goes half a meter to the right. Sometimes. Actually many times. And it's not due to wind, because the wind is blowing from the right, not from the left. Okay. Random targets. Okay, almost paper. Huh? They're out. This may be the first time I didn't hit any single thing. But I try something. I have these 0.30 grams. I'll try 5. Paper first. Okay, nothing. Maybe it's even wider. Okay. Point 20 grams, and we have 7 rounds. Paper. We are out. Okay. It's terrible. 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 Even at 10 meters you will have difficulties hitting a human-sized target with this. Disappointed. It's from the same company as the Steyr, but this one, it's sad. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.